Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a custom t-shirt. The materials we'll need are a piece of cardboard, a white t-shirt, some crayons of any colors you think you will want, a iron, some sandpaper, a pretty big piece of sandpaper, so what you first want to do is set your materials that you don't need right now aside. And you're going to want to get your crayons and your sandpaper out. Then, this is the fun part. You can take your crayons and on the sandpaper, you can do any design you want. But if you're doing letters, you're going to want to do it backwards. Because when you put it on the shirt, if you put them normal, they're going to be the wrong way. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing drips. I'm going to be doing rainbow drips, so yeah. So when you're coloring on sandpaper, you want to draw pretty dark, so when you iron it onto the shirt, it shows up. So when I'm doing drips, I'm just going to do different sizes of squiggly lines to make it look like the effect of dripping. Now I'm moving on. Now I'm going to color it in. Okay, now I am finished coloring, and I think it looks pretty good. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a towel, and you're gonna just place it on your workspace. And then you're gonna place your shirt on the towel in the middle. And then you're gonna take your piece of cardboard and you're just gonna slide it into the shirt. My shirt's a little wet, but that's okay. My mom is helping me right now. So you're gonna wanna place it in the middle where you're gonna want your design to go. Then with your design, you're gonna place it, make sure it's the right way up, and then you're just gonna put it upside down in about the middle of your t-shirt, like this. Just make sure it's where you want your design to go, either in the middle, the top, the bottom, and now you're just gonna place your design so the design is on the material of the shirt. And then you're gonna put another towel on top of your design so that when you iron it, it doesn't stick to the iron. Now, for this part, you might wanna get an adult to help you, but my mom's helping me, so you're just gonna use the iron and just go over it. And when you go over it, you're gonna wanna make sure you go all around where the design is, and you might wanna hold it there for a few seconds. And then every once in a while, you're gonna make sure it's doing good. Okay, now that I'm finished ironing it, I'm just gonna peel it off, and voila! Your design is on your shirt. So now you're gonna wanna put it in the dryer so that when you rub the crayon, it doesn't come off. So then you're gonna take the piece of cardboard out, and you have your shirt. I think mine looks really pretty. And remember, you guys can do any design you want.